We've all seen them in movies, humans with superhuman abilities, enhanced by technology. But what was once science fiction is steadily becoming our reality. We are on the cusp of a cyborg age, an era where artificial organs and advanced prosthetics are poised to redefine what it means to be human. Today, these technologies are primarily used to restore lost function, but their potential extends far beyond that. Imagine a future where synthetic organs eliminate the need for organ donors and bionic limbs outperform their biological counterparts. The idea of integrating technology into our bodies is no longer a futuristic fantasy. We already have pacemakers regulating heartbeats and cochlear implants restoring hearing. These early examples demonstrate our growing ability to interface with the human body, setting the stage for even more remarkable advancements. As we delve deeper into the world of synthetic organs and prosthetics, we are essentially blurring the line between human and machine. Organ failure is a harsh reality for millions worldwide. The demand for organ transplants far exceeds the supply, leaving many waiting for a life-saving call that may never come. Synthetic organs offer a beacon of hope. Imagine a world where laboratories can grow custom-made organs, eliminating the wait for donors and the risk of rejection. This isn't just science fiction. Scientists are making significant progress in creating functional organs in labs. We can now three-dimensional print living tissues and even simple organs. For instance, researchers have successfully created bioengineered bladders that have been implanted in patients. These advancements, though still in their early stages, offer a glimpse into a future where organ failure becomes a manageable condition rather than a life-threatening crisis. Prosthetics have come a long way from their rudimentary beginnings as wooden limbs. Today, we have prosthetics that can be controlled by the power of thought, allowing amputees to regain lost function with astonishing precision. These advanced prosthetics use sensors to detect nerve signals from the brain, translating them into movement. Take, for example, the case of a paralyzed woman who was able to drink coffee using a robotic arm controlled by her thoughts. This groundbreaking technology not only restores lost mobility, but also reestablishes a sense of agency and independence for amputees. We are witnessing the emergence of prosthetics that are not just replacements, but enhancements, capable of surpassing the limitations of our natural limbs. Section 4. A new era for healthcare, benefits and possibilities. The integration of synthetic organs and advanced prosthetics into healthcare promises a future where our bodies are no longer fragile vessels, but adaptable and repairable systems. Imagine a world where a damaged heart valve can be replaced with a 3D printed replica, or a lost limb can be substituted with a bionic one that's even stronger and more agile. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, improving the quality of life for millions and extending human lifespans. We could see a future where chronic diseases become manageable conditions, and disabilities no longer pose insurmountable barriers. This technology offers a chance to alleviate suffering and empower individuals to live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Section 5. Ethical Crossroads. Navigating the dilemmas of enhancement. As we stand on the brink of this cyborg revolution, we must confront the ethical dilemmas that come with such profound technological advancements. What happens when we can enhance our bodies beyond their natural limits? Will we create a society where the wealthy can afford to upgrade themselves, leaving the less fortunate behind? The potential for widening the gap between the haves and have-nots is a valid concern. Access to these technologies must be equitable, ensuring that they serve to benefit all of humanity, not just a privileged few. Moreover, we need to carefully consider the implications of enhancing our bodies beyond their natural state. What does it mean to be human when we can augment our physical and cognitive abilities at will? Section 6. Redefining Humanity, Our Cyborg Future. The dawn of the cyborg age compels us to reconsider our definition of humanity. As we integrate more technology into our bodies, the line between human and machine will continue to blur. This prospect is both exhilarating and daunting, we must proceed with caution, ensuring that we use these technologies responsibly and ethically. The future holds immense possibilities. Imagine a world where humans can explore the depths of the ocean, venture into the vastness of space, or even colonize other planets, all thanks to the seamless integration of technology and biology. The cyborg future is not merely about overcoming limitations. It's about expanding our horizons and redefining what it means to be human in an increasingly technologically advanced world.